Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, or rich culture.
This is Yardmen Season 3.
Season 3.
At the fountain statue, you will find shells framed.
Alright, hi everybody. Welcome to another episode in Season 3 of Yardmen.
Yes.
Where are we today?
Today we're in Ligani and we are at the Ligani Art Festival. Today is really nice.
Yes, it is
Some
really
really
nice.
local artists just showing
Yes.
their painting.
Yes, and their artwork, the jewelry, they have
Right.
so many various different kinds of
Sculptures,
sculptures and
everything.
things like that. Pottery, clay, paper mache, whole heap of different things. And so we're here today to experience all of that. It's so interesting to me because people are so creative. Like
Right.
there are so many creative people here, and there's so many different kinds of art here, and it's really good for me to see all of this here. You know, sometimes you see one or two things, but they're all in one location, and I think it's just an awesome experience.
Yes, trust me, like some really dope artists, young and old alike. And plus they had some sponsorship here, so they had some sampling of different foods and stuff like Best Dress is here, Caramel, Grace.
Yeah, some other local companies are here.
art is really, really nice. And if you didn't make it this year, next year you should definitely
Yeah.
come and check it out.
It happens annually.
Right, the prices are reasonable.
Yeah.
If you're on a budget, you can still buy a nice art piece.
Some for as low as like $1,000.
Right.
Trust me, you can get something for any price range.
Right,
And
we stopped at a stall with
Crystal.
and Crystal will talk about what Crystal will talk about herself.
Yeah,
we'll
and
show
her
you that.
art and all of that in the
Right.
next clip.
Okay.
Alright, hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Yardmen. Alright, today we're at the Ligani Art Festival and I have the pleasure of talking to today a past Ardenite, because you know I went to Arden. Big up yourself, you're into Arden, big up yourself, Optima. Alright, she's here today, she's a fantabulous, awesome, creative artist. So she's gonna tell you her name and tell you a little bit about what she does.
Hi everybody, my name is Crystal Ball, really. And I'm a visual artist.
Yeah, she's a visual artist. She actually went to Russia.
Yes, she went to Russia the other day.
And Cuba. Yeah, because she's so talented. So she's gonna show you a little bit about what she has going on behind us right here.
Tell me about the pieces.
You can just tell us like the name or you know what inspired any of the pieces.
Well, most of them don't have names. But all of my pieces are based off of wonderful artists, people I've met. For example, that one right there is based off of a girl that I met that I was not very fond of. Yeah, that was the result.
That's cool. What about this one? What you can tell us about this one?
No, let's not talk about that.
She doesn't want to talk about that one. Well, that's fine. Another one that's stand up. This is your piece. Yes. This one, like the face, like just draws me to it automatically.
Yeah, that's pretty.
She's so cute. Can you imagine waking up to this? To wake up and
Actually, I have one.
yeah, I can see that. I'm a fan. Yeah, so we really want to thank you for actually being a part of our channel today. Yeah, so this is Crystal Ball. You can check her out.
I'm on Instagram.
Yeah, we'll put her information in the description. Thank you everybody for tuning into another episode. Remember, we're at the Ligani Art Festival today. If you guys missed it this year, you can always come next year and look out for it.
Yes.
It happens every year.
Alright, so remember to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram as well.
At Yardmen. See you in our next episode. Thanks for watching.
Later.
Thank you guys so much for watching another episode in Yardmen Season 3. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Yes, and we want you to also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you missed it. Yardmen Season 3.
Season 3.